Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today I am going to discuss about Kilauea volcano eruption. Before to know about Kilauea volcano eruption, we need to understand what is volcano. Here volcano means Agnaigiri. Volcano, an opening in the earth crust through which lava, volcanic ash and gases escape. This is called volcano. In the last 2021 Kilauea volcano eruption occurred. It is an active shield volcano. Shield means dome-shaped, which is located in the Hawaii Islands of North Pacific Ocean. The distance between Kilauea volcano eruption and Honolulu is 322 km. Honolulu is the capital of Hawaii Island. I hope you found this video is informative. To subscribe the channel, like and share this video. Jai Hind.